A serene Japanese garden features a wooden house with a dark roof. A woman rests on a bench by a fish pond with lily pads and a waterfall, all bathed in soft, inviting natural light. This peaceful garden showcases a wooden house with a deck and chimney. A small waterfall flows into a rock-lined pond, surrounded by purple blooms and a vibrant pink-leaved tree. A tranquil scene features a stone path winding toward a beige house. Beside it, a waterfall feeds a pond near a wooden pergola and bench, all nestled within lush, manicured greens. Under an overcast sky, a stone house overlooks a shaded pergola and a pond with a waterfall. Pink roses and ferns line the stone pathway, creating a quiet, contemplative atmosphere. A modern white house features a flat roof and large glass doors opening to a wooden dining deck. Surrounded by rocks and lush trees, the minimalist design blends into the scenery. This Japanese garden centers on a circular pond and wooden walkway. A person sits quietly near a traditional dark-roofed building, while yellow blooms dot the fenced-in landscape. A modern house encloses a Japanese garden with a winding gravel path and a small pond. A wooden deck with seating offers a perfect view of the stone lanterns and lush, green daycare. A wooden bridge spans a reflecting pond in this lush Japanese garden. A person rests on a nearby bench, surrounded by dense shrubs and trees, with a traditional house in the rear. Warm lights illuminate a modern dark-roofed house and its vibrant garden. A waterfall cascades into a stone pond, set against a backdrop of purple foliage and a quiet wooded area. At dusk, koi swim in a dark pond beside a white house's wooden deck. Warm garden lights glow across the shrubs and trees, creating a peaceful, inviting atmosphere for the evening. A stone path leads to a cascading waterfall and rock-lined pond. Nestled among lush greenery and pink flowers, a wooden pergola and brown house sit under a clear, bright blue sky. A wooden deck features an outdoor dining area overlooking a waterfall and pond. This well-kept garden, with its pink-leaved trees, sits beautifully against a classic white house. A modern white house with large windows overlooks a mountain landscape. The wooden deck, furnished for relaxing, is surrounded by a desert-inspired garden with cacti and shrubs. Goldfish swim in a clear backyard pond featuring a cascading waterfall. Two wooden chairs sit on an adjacent deck, offering a peaceful view of the stone borders and tan exterior. A wooden structure houses a Japanese garden with a lit pond and bridge. A bonsai tree and stone wall complement the reflection in the large windows, creating a peaceful ambience.